Do you believe that luck is just a matter of chance? What if I told you there's a nearly unknown method to attract prosperity, a practice that combines intentions with universal forces? In Buddhism, luck and wealth are seen as the result of aligned energies, and some specific numbers can activate these energies in impressive ways. This November, 8 numbers have been revealed as portals to attract abundance, and together, we'll explore how incorporating them into your daily life can transform your relationship with money. Ready to discover how the power of these numbers can open doors to a path of success and stability? Imagine the possibility of using these numbers to create a true magnetic field of wealth around you. We'll discover how the simple act of integrating these numbers into your daily routines, as visual reminders or intentional practices, can attract unexpected financial opportunities and even lasting stability. These numbers are not mere coincidences. They have been used for centuries as genuine guides for those seeking financial growth and success. Curious to learn this nearly secret practice that turns luck into a lifestyle? Then like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write in the comments. I attract abundance and prosperity every day. Since ancient times, Buddhism has offered paths for those seeking not only inner peace, but also prosperity and abundance in material life. However, few understand how certain elements, like numbers, can influence this journey. Each number carries a specific energy that, when aligned with the universe, attracts wealth and health. Imagine waking up and seeing a number sequence that, according to Buddhist tradition, has the power to guide your life towards success and fortune. This invisible force often awakens in us an attraction for abundance and even opens unexpected doors to money and success. In Buddhist philosophy, certain numbers are believed to have a unique ability to connect with energies of prosperity and fortune. November 2024, in particular, carries 8 numbers considered auspicious. These numbers act almost like magnets for success and prosperity. For those seeking financial health and tranquility, it's worth observing these numbers as allies in daily life. Have you ever thought of using a specific number as your phone password, or even keeping it in your wallet? This kind of practice brings Buddhism into everyday life, awakening your connection with money and luck. These auspicious numbers aren't chosen randomly. Buddhist tradition teaches that they represent a perfect harmony between the universe's cycles and our personal energy, promoting a life of fortune and balance. For example, with each new phase of the moon, these numbers can be used in simple practices like morning meditations or reflections. You could, for instance, write these numbers on a piece of paper and keep it on your desk. These small actions intensify the connection to wealth, transforming the environment around you to emanate success and prosperity. While many view spirituality as something distant from the material world, Buddhism reminds us that fortune and abundance are expressions of balance and alignment with the universe. A millionaire who lives in peace and financial harmony is not in discord with Buddhist philosophy, but rather in sync with it. In a way, this understanding gives practitioners a sense of control over their lives, knowing that by integrating these numbers into their daily routines, they are one step closer to attracting wealth and surprising opportunities. In Buddhism, luck isn't something that falls from the sky, but is rather a direct reflection of our mindset and the karma we've accumulated throughout our lives. Imagine a gardener who, day after day, tends to the soil with dedication and patience. Over time, they see flowers and fruits grow as a reward. Similarly, fortune and abundance arise from intentional acts of kindness and generosity, not mere strokes of luck. When we cultivate a prosperous and positive mind, the universe responds, creating a fertile ground for money and success to flourish. By adopting this view, one understands that practicing gratitude and generosity is literally sowing wealth for the future. Each act of kindness causes money's energy to circulate, opening doors that seemed invisible before. A practical example? Sharing a bit of what you have, whether helping a friend or donating to a cause, creates a cycle of abundance. This simple act, through the Buddhist lens, expands your ability to attract fortune and luck, because the universe perceives you as an energy of prosperity, returning that energy multiplied. Gratitude is another powerful tool for aligning with financial opportunities. When someone expresses genuine gratitude for what they have, It sends a message to the universe that they are ready to receive even more. Think about how a millionaire, grateful for their achievements, tends to attract even more success. This happens because gratitude generates an invisible magnetism, attracting money and possibilities for those who practice it. By focusing on small victories and what one already has, the mind opens to new opportunities for success and wealth. This mindset also means believing that luck is always by your side, ready to change your path. However, this luck is a daily construction made of positive thoughts, altruistic actions, and constant gratitude. When viewing the world through this lens, it becomes clear that success and fortune aren't mere coincidences, but responses to internal efforts and the vibration of prosperity that each person emanates. Thus, over time, this perspective not only attracts wealth, but also transforms one's relationship with money and opportunities. From a Buddhist perspective, numbers are much more than mere figures. They're like portals to different levels of energy and prosperity. Each auspicious number carries a unique vibration that, when used consciously, helps align our financial intentions with cosmic forces, facilitating stability, growth, and even unexpected opportunities. Number 8, for example, is the archetype of balance and harmony. It suggests a continuous flow of prosperity, perfect for those seeking stability and steady financial growth. Adding the number 8 somewhere in your daily life, like a phone number or a security code, acts as a subtle reminder that fortune can be stable and abundant. Number 10 is another powerful number, carrying the energies of completeness and fulfillment. It symbolizes the culmination of a cycle, marking the moment when all effort finally meets its reward. If you're completing a project or waiting for an investment return, including the number 10 in the process is like affirming that this cycle's closure will bring the expected prosperity. Many people choose to start or conclude ventures on dates containing this number, believing it will seal the work with an energy of success and wholeness. Number 18, meanwhile, brings an energy of renewal and freedom, ideal for those seeking a fresh start. This number is powerful for those who want to overcome financial obstacles and begin a new growth phase. For those emerging from a challenging period or entering a new market, 18 can be an inspiration source for transforming challenges into opportunities. Imagine using it as a password for a new business venture or on a course enrollment number that could change your life. Small gestures that resonate with the spirit of rebirth and openness. Number 22 is considered a master number, symbolizing the realization of great dreams and the building of a solid foundation for the future. For those aiming not only to achieve immediate goals, but also to leave a lasting legacy, 22 offers an energy of support and structure. This number is ideal for long-term projects where slow but steady growth leads to stable and prosperous results. Successful entrepreneurs often incorporate 22 into their business strategies, ensuring each step strengthens the foundation of genuine and concrete prosperity. Next, we have number 28, a symbol of success and cooperation, which emphasizes the power of partnerships. This number suggests that by working with others, the financial harvest will be even more abundant. For those considering new collaborations or partnerships, 28 can be the ideal number to mark the beginning of that journey. It inspires growth and collective success, as if each person involved brings their energy of prosperity, strengthening the whole. Number 34 connects creativity with practical strength, promoting expansion and innovative solutions. It's perfect for those entering new businesses or innovating in existing projects. The energy of 34 encourages thinking outside the box, pushing those who use it to look beyond the obvious and explore different paths to attract wealth. This number is particularly appealing to creative entrepreneurs who can use it as a reminder that the best ideas combine dreams with execution. Number 37, on the other hand, is a true magnet for unexpected and fortunate events, bringing positive and sudden financial changes. It's the type of number that carries an energy of surprise and opportunity, attracting growth chances that may come from the least expected places. For those who enjoy games of chance or exploring new possibilities, 37 is the ideal number, indicating that the improbable can also become reality, transforming financial life suddenly. Finally, number 44 symbolizes stability and the manifestation of dreams in a concrete and lasting way, ideal for those seeking long-term financial security. 44 carries a firm vibration, offering support for robust projects that require a solid foundation. This number is perfect for long-term investments or retirement goals, where the priority is to build something enduring. By trusting in 44, you connect with an energy that values solid and sustainable growth, providing security and stability for the future. Incorporating these auspicious numbers into everyday life is a practice that transforms intentions into reality, creating a magnetic field to attract prosperity and fortune. By visualizing and using these numbers as part of daily routines, they become more than just figures. They become visual reminders that abundance is within reach. Imagine, for example, setting your phone alarm to specific times that include these numbers, like 8:08 or 10:10, to start the day already in tune with energies of balance and completeness. These small touches in routine turn intention into practice, increasing the attraction power towards success. Integrating these numbers can also be done simply yet powerfully through personal objects and spaces. How about keeping number 22 on a piece of jewelry or a keychain, like an amulet of building an achievement? Or perhaps using number 37 as part of a password, as a reminder that unexpected luck is always on your side? With these symbols around you, you create a constant reminder that success and opportunities are in harmony with your intentions. In this way, money and prosperity become not only distant desires, but elements you feel daily, fueling your determination to achieve fortune. Another effective practice is to write these numbers in a visible place, like on the bathroom mirror or a board at your work desk. This type of visualization reinforces the energy of these numbers throughout the day, as if every time you see them, you reaffirm your intention of prosperity and growth. This technique is used by those who want to turn their actions into a habit of financial attraction, making the very environment around them start to vibrate with an energy of abundance. The idea is simple, yet powerful. By seeing these numbers daily, you remind the universe of your intention to attract wealth. For those who enjoy meditating, including these numbers in daily visualization practices is a way to connect with prosperity on an even deeper level. Close your eyes and visualize number 8 shining in your mind, or imagine 28 forming a circle of cooperation and success around you. This practice creates an internal resonance, a true vibration that magnetizes your life toward money and financial stability. Gradually, these small integrations transform into a powerful energy field that attracts opportunities and opens doors to abundance. In Buddhism, the connection between karma and abundance is an essential principle for attracting prosperity and success. When we act with generosity and nurture an abundance mindset, we create a positive cycle that strengthens our capacity to thrive. The logic is simple. By giving with a light and grateful heart, we send a message to the universe that we believe in abundance and are willing to share it. This kind of action reverberates, bringing back not only money, but also valuable opportunities and relationships. Imagine exchanging a favor or donating a small amount. Each act of generosity creates an energy network that strengthens your own magnetic field of prosperity. Maintaining an abundance mindset doesn't mean ignoring challenges, but rather seeing possibilities, even in the toughest situations. When someone adopts this way of thinking, they open up to the world more receptively, with an internal confidence that fortune and success are always within reach. This positive thinking, rooted in generosity, attracts people who share the same energy and vision. A generous and positive entrepreneur, for instance, tends to attract partners and collaborators also willing to cooperate and grow together, which strengthens everyone involved and enhances financial success. Karma, like an invisible current, responds to every action we take, often returning what we give to the world. Every act of generosity reflects in creating meaningful relationships and support networks that go beyond financial matters. The opportunities that arise for those who live with this spirit are often unexpected and valuable, as if the universe directly rewards their good intentions. Think about a moment when someone unexpectedly offers a partnership or an innovative idea. This kind of luck is often the direct result of a life rooted in generosity and the desire to contribute to collective well-being. Adopting abundance as a life posture transforms our vision of success. It's not just about accumulating money, but about living in harmony with the universe, respecting the flow of giving and receiving. With this balance, wealth becomes a natural consequence of how we interact with the world, and opportunities arise spontaneously, like the fruits of a tree planted with good intentions. Over time, this mindset creates fertile ground for growth, where each person who approaches strengthens their prosperity network and contributes to a continuous cycle of fortune and happiness. To attract true prosperity and wealth, it takes more than just luck. It requires acting with intention and opening the mind to the energies around us. Every action you take from what you learned today can be the beginning of a transformation in your financial life. But tell me, what are you doing to align your life with abundance? Are you really prepared to embrace the opportunities the universe places in your path? Write in the comments which practices you will adopt and how you intend to bring more prosperity into your routine. And to continue on the journey of self-discovery and learning how to attract wealth and live a fuller life, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Don't miss the upcoming videos, where we'll continue to explore practices and energies that help open doors to prosperity. Let's build the path to lasting success together.